And we start this afternoon with the latest on the COVID-19 pandemic. The CDC is easing masking recommendations, including inside schools.
The agency announced it considers the majority of the country, more than half of the counties in the U.S., to be low to medium risk. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky emphasized that it's not permanent. The CDC does, however, continue to recommend masks on public transportation.
And here in West Michigan, those changes will be no different.
13 on your side, Ottawa County reporter Keely Lovern spoke to a health expert on the lakeshore as the restrictions ease. She joins us now from the newsroom. And Keely, what are they saying?
Well, Juliet, experts really are saying that they're emphasizing that even though restrictions are easing and we're starting to feel a little bit out of relief from this pandemic, they say it's always important to stay flexible. Ottawa County is still currently in the red zone category, which means there's a high transmission rate. But numbers are slowing and getting closer toward their goal of being in the yellow or moderate category. Now, that being said, the county says they'll continue to follow CDC guidelines and align any of their restrictions with the CDC recommendations. The county's deputy health administrator, Marcia Mansoray, says that experts still don't have a ton of knowledge on the virus, so it's important for communities to stay flexible, as we've learned over the past 2 years.
But we've also learned that we don't understand the SARS-CoV-2 virus yet. We do not fully understand its behavior, what's happening. We can't predict variants. We still know that we have a largely unvaccinated world. Right. So many variants could still come. I fully anticipate that there will be another one. And so it's important to take the time that we do have to regroup, to plan. So we're encouraging educational settings and businesses and people to plan now for how they can mitigate another surge that could come.
Mansoray also says it's important to remember that kids 4 and younger still aren't able to get vaccinated, so we have to stay vigilant to protect that vulnerable population. And though cases are rapidly declining in the U.S., currently around 95% of counties around the country are still seeing those substantial or high levels of spread. And that's about 38% of U.S. counties, which is now where mask wearing is still recommended, but these counties only account for 28% of the population. Marcia says that if you haven't been vaccinated, it's important to still consider doing so, as it will continue to reduce stress on our hospitals and keep infection rates down.